Keegan's on to a beauty. Yep, get him down. Oh yeah, good fighting, Keegan. Keep going, mate. Tighten up your drag just slightly. Whoa, you know, get him back. Yep, get him back. Good work, mate. Yes!
Oh, look at this!
Yeah, what a mess. That's a big fish.
Oh my god.
That's about 4 something.
Sweet.
I see it though.
Yeah.
Oh, yep.
No. Oh, holy crap. It was a fish.
Oh yeah, it's a nice fish. You alright? Oh shit, oh shit. Is he?
We can get him into here.
Here you go, his chance. Oh, another chance. What a nice fish. Oh, wicked. Gone. Yes.
Good stuff.
Well done. Yeah, mate. You'll get him down, he'll tire out. He's got nowhere to really go. Come this way, Keegan. Whoa. Nice sweet, mate. Oh yeah.
And we're good.
Yes.
Another chunker.
That wasn't recording, but
What to eat?
that was a big mouth open. That was funny. Alright, we got
This is getting boring.
No, it's not. I'm enjoying this. Oh mate, he's got me. Yeah, I'm off. Lost him. Whoa. Keegan's on for like the 100th time. You know, I can't find my net. Oh, beauty. Oh, yeah. Ah, looks like an eel down there. That's a nice one. You're gonna have to be careful with this one, mate. It's big. Yeah, get back on this side. Yeah, good work. It's right on his nose. No, he's not. Oh, he might be now. Oh, shit. Whoa. Oh. Wow.
That was explosive. We're gonna get a photo of that eat.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, let's see if we can catch a fish. Yep, come on! Crack up. Look, it's a nice fish. Just noticed under the gill there's slight orange. That's a nice fish. Very good.
Yeah, that's a fish. What side do you want me on?
Yeah, stay there.
Oh, that is snake straight away. Oh, yeah, you're on.
Oh.
Oh, he was chasing it. Yep.
Yep.
Oh! That's one, mate.
Different, eh? You can just release them. Oh, it's nice and fat. Yep, just unhook him, he'll be right. Keegan's on to his probably 50th fish. No, I don't know how much, but a lot. Whoa, it's going psycho. Oh, that might be why. Oh, get him out of there. Good work. Yep. Nah, snagged. Oh no. Oh, beauty, mate. Well done. Okay, you stay there. You pull him down that way. See if I can. Oh, there's a stick. Oh, well done. Okay, go run that way.
No, he's not snagged.
Nah, drag him that way. He did. He got out of it though. He's deep. Keep going that way because he gets shallow as. Yeah, nice, mate. Oh shit, he's way down there. Fuck. Yes.
Another 3-pounder.
Lovely condition. Very nice condition. I'm speechless, man.
What is this day?
What is this? We on a monster.
We on for the 600th time?
Holy moly! Wow!
Holy crap, that was a grueling net job. That's a good fish.
That's a beast. I think it's spooked. Oh, there's, whoa. One just zoomed down here. Whoa! All right, mate. Yeah, get him. Oh shit!
Holy shit, that was a run.
That's a nice fish.
Oh, yeah.
That was a nice fish. Keegan is on again, and he's beached it himself.
Sweet.
Walking out, big day. My goodness.